So this is how you reset the service light on the Renault Captur 2014, this one. Insert the card, yeah. You can push the start button as well. And then on the side here, you've got two buttons, okay? So you press the one button, press it up, it comes service required, we don't need that one. Keep pressing it up until you get to the service intervals, that's the one. And then you press and hold the top button, okay? And then here you go, we'll come up with the two bits that we need. Oil change and service are both overdue. So then you press and hold the top button again. Press and hold, that's what I'm doing now. And then it will start to flash. And then it will change. Yeah, and then we release it. Press it, didn't do it, sorry. Press and hold. And then it will do that. And then you hold it, don't release it. And then it's done that. And then oil change, same again. Move down, press and hold the button. And then it will flash. And then it will flash up like that. And it's gone. And you saw the light went out there. So that's how you reset the service light on a Renault Captur. This one's 2014. Hope that was helpful, guys. Catch you on the next one.